Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this video I would like to demonstrate how you can make a list on Twitter. First of all, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen, then choose the lists section over here. At the following page, at the bottom right corner, you'll have this blue icon, or it can be other color as well, but the icon looks like so, like a list and a plus sign or plus icon. Tap on it, and that's how you start creating your own list. In here, enter the name for it. I'll name it Dudes. Enter a brief description if you want to have some. Then you can also set a photo or picture or avatar for your list. Then decide whether your future list will be private or not. Then tap at the create button, and now just add somebody or someone to your list from here. Then tap at the done button, and that's what be it. That's how you create your very own Twitter list. From here you can pin them by tapping on this little icon over here to the list rate, and like if you'll have too many, you can just pin or highlight the ones that are most important to you. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.